Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back to us back at me. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2018 Ram 2500 turbo diesel. This is a heavy duty, alright? Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear rotors, rear brake pads, how to do some maintenance to the brackets, and pretty much it. Alright, hope you like this video. Don't forget to support the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Support the channel by, you see the heart right there where it says thanks, click on that. I'm saying, so you support the channel by contributing to the channel. Yeah, I mean, and like the video, share the video, the feedback, put in the comment box. Any questions, put in the comment box. All right, let's do it. Let me give you a tour. I'm saying, this is how it looks like. Double piston. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, pretty much. Let's get it. Let's do it. Boom, boom. Alright. Hold up. Hopefully it's not like upside down or something. Never mind. Can you hear me? Okay. I don't even know what time it is. So, show you real quick how to do this bang bang. Oh, let me give you the part number. Right? Part number for the rotor is Geotech. Part number is 2053056. Geotech. All right, that's a brand. Okay, looks like that. Now I'm showing for the rotor, the brake pads. We got Ray Bestos. Part number for this. This is the brake pads. Sam Peter 1400. Sorry, San Peter 1400 TRH. Alright. Yep, that's the part number. Okay. Ray Bestos, Zhang. Now we're gonna hit this. There's one here and one over here. Yo, if you get to see my face, don't be scared, okay? That's the way I was born, and it's not my fault. Let's get it. Those are gonna be 13 millimeters. Here, one here, okay. Pretty much. How y'all doing? Same old, same old? Good. I'm wondering why you cannot see the other. Okay, maybe you can see it better now. Go, 1, 2. Alright. Oh shit, you know what? I forgot to tell you. Let me put this back. Okay. Because what I what? Fuck, I gave him talk. What I was about to show you, it's good enough, is I'm gonna pry those pistons. See, the rotors are gone though. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it between the pad and the piston, or between the rotor and the pad. A flat screwdriver. Push the piston back. Okay. You can put it between the piston and the brake pad, or between the brake pad and the rotor. Alright. Now grab 2 pry bars and we're gonna pry that. Okay, just like that. Just pump one at a time. Ooh, be careful with your hands, okay? You don't want to hurt your beautiful hands. Pause. There you go. Now it's pumping. There you go. I'll show you in a minute what. Ooh, careful. Like that. Should be good. I'll show you how it looks like. Real Gucci. See that? Alright. So now I can remove this guide pins. Hold on a second. I want to lose the other one too. Because I think I tied it too much. There you go. Okay. Never leave the caliper hanging from the pressure hose. There's a paper right here. Oh, I thought I gave you a light. Sheesh, my bad. Give me some light. There you go. Better? So I'm just gonna put it over here. It's fine. 1 second. Alright, so now we're just gonna fry these beautiful brake pads. Look at this beauty. You haven't seen the other side though. Thumbnail. Look at that boy. It doesn't say how much time I have left. Cool. That. Don't worry about the brake pads. I'm gonna replace those. Look at this. Beautiful, huh? The plates behind the brake pads. So beautiful. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the these two. This one over here one over here. That's gonna be 21mm socket. Yeah. 21. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit in there, just a little bit. Alright, because I don't want that thing to push back towards me when I lose this one. You always wear safety glasses, right? Safety goggles all the time, right? You never know when something wrong is gonna go down, alright? You never know when some shit is gonna go down. Excuse my French. Now we're just gonna like hit this guy. Okay. Gotta remove this right back. Or just like this. This thing doesn't want to come out. Damn. It's gonna come out. Custom. Let's see, let me put it against the tire. It's coming out. Gotta have some patience. Okay, it's out now. Look at that, yeah. This is bracket. We're gonna remove this, the old hardware. Okay. We're gonna put the new ones, but before we put the new ones, we're gonna clean right under the hardware and then put the new ones. This thing is gonna need a real. You need a big hammer, some type of like a Tor hammer, something like that. I'm gonna have to bring you up. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Bear with me. Whoa. Kinda don't like this. I'm gonna get it with the camera now. Okay. You know what? Let me put some WD-40 or PV blast. The rotor, just to make it easier.
Hey, don't forget the address.
Alright, thanks, Brian. Now I'm gonna hit it with a hammer. There we go. Hopefully I don't drop my camera there. Ooh, I don't wanna hit myself. Is it coming out now? Look like it. Man. There we go. Now we're talking. We're gonna push it back so I can spin it. Hit the other angle. The other side. That should be it. That's good. That's good. I'm using, let me show you the hammer though. I'm using this paper right here. Oh, this, they call me Tor. Look, I'm Tor. You get it? Look, and I'm Tor. Never mind. Never mind, guys. You'll never get it. You get it by tomorrow. Okay. Just brought it down. Shh. I'm gonna put two pry bars and wiggle it out. This size out. This is all I gotta do though. I'm giving you the whole nine. Give you the whole nine here. Okay. Like the shoe is holding it, hopefully not. The shoe on the other side didn't look that happy. You guys gonna be like, what is he talking about? Like happy rotor, greedy, brake pad. Sorry guys, that's just my lexico. Trying to have fun while I work. Hope you understand that. There you go. This side. I was gonna pause it and come back. I finally got it out, but it seems like I'm gonna do this side. This side is the one that I give me problems. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Careful, guys. Play like that. Almost hit myself with that hammer in the stomach. See? Be careful. Something's going on here. I don't want to hit that though. But it's a lot of rust. Now it's coming down. Something here in the back is holding it. Can't believe it. Sheesh. I think this thing need a good whack. He wants me to whack it. Really good. Woo! Very careful. Careful with that. You don't want to hit yourself. The other side is the ditch. My finger's still kind of numb. I'm a mechanic or construction guy. What the fuck? I'm gonna be doing this. I just don't wanna like hold you for too long. We're Gucci now. Hold on. Okay. I think I wanna finish this project now. But look at this. See that? Okay, I'll show you this in a minute. Let me throw this away. There we go. Alright. Let me give you a tour right here. Someone's calling me. Scam. Alright, so now I'm just gonna blow some air, you know what I'm saying, so remove the rust, and then spray some brake cleaner, and pretty much, yeah. Alright, I have the new rotor over there, okay, so stand by. Don't breathe that air, alright? I mean that dust, debris, whatever you want to call it. Don't breathe that. Spray some brake cleaner. Alright. Pretty much. Now I gotta pop these guys. These are the clips, the hardware. Okay. That's one. 3, 4. Look like that. Okay. Now we're gonna clip this. Look how it looks like. I'm gonna show you how it looks like later after I clean it. What I use is a wheel cutter. Okay. The final product is good. Okay. You just do it like this. Pretty much. Trying to remove really good the rust. This is 3 inches cut off wheel. Alright, that'll do the job. Instead of brushing it, I use this. It works for me way better. You get to the angles where I need to remove the rust and all of that, you know what I'm saying? Now this is how it looks like. Okay. You really don't need to clean this though, the edges. But if you feel like it, you can do it. I just want to clean here. Alright, so here. You see a difference? So yeah, clean. I'm gonna clean the other 3. Now I'll be back. Alright, we're good. Alright, perfect. So I clean the thing. Let me give it some light. If I can find it. We clean it, I'm saying, the inside. Now I'm gonna put the clips, the hardware. Got 4 left. Obviously, this is a new one. This is the old one. I'm just gonna pop it like this. Just like that. Well, let me use a better angle. Right there. So you can see what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna put the brake pads. Put some silicone brake vestos, silicone brake lubricant. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it right here. Now once you do some like a gasoline cars, you're gonna get used to the game, you know what I'm saying? Now here you're gonna have to help it. Grab some flat screwdriver or something. I'm gonna use this. That's one. No, the other one. Okay, now this guy's ready to go. I'm gonna put the rotor, brand new rotor, of course. This shit's heavy. Shit. You need to spray some brake cleaner on this because it's already clean, ready to install. Play and go. Alright. Now we have everything ready to go. I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna put some Loctite. This is for the bracket, for the caliper. Alright. I'm gonna put some Loctite. Just a little bit though. Ready to go. Just like that, just a little bit though. Put this on. Just like that. Let me give you a better angle. Hold up. I guess that's better now. So you can see better what I'm doing here in the back. I'm gonna press these pads against the rotor so they don't jump back. Gotta help yourself here. There you go. Alright. Now the bottom. Alright. Now hit it with the gun. 21mm. You can do it manually too. If you don't have an impact gun, you can do it manually too. My hand is getting better. Remember this finger? Yeah, it's getting way better. My finger though. So I'm gonna put some silicone brake lubricant here and on the other side. Okay, you know this. Come on, guys. Here's the caliper. Always check these sliders. They look Gucci. Right there. Just put this ball there. Gucci. I'll put this guy at the bottom. I'm so glad I can give you better angles. Thanks to you. With your contribution, I get better equipment. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Shit. Gotta go. Oh, I gotta tie that. It's 13, right? Be careful with this little gun, okay? This electric ratchet made by a Snap-on. If you give it full throttle, it's gonna take your. It's not gonna take your hand, but it's gonna pull it though. So be careful when you're near. Your hand is close to things in the car. You know what I'm saying, so you don't hurt your hand. Pretty much. This is the final product. This is the final product. All right. Gucci. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put the tire, check the brake fluid reservoir, make sure it is at the match level. If not, top it off. Step on the brake and just to feel the brake pedal firm. And then take it for a road test, pretty much. Put the tires back. Now I'm gonna press on the brake pedal until it gets hard. Pause. That's soft, bouncy, getting hard. Pause. Almost hard. Pause. Now it's hard. All right. Check the brake fluid reservoir. What we got here? Oops, too much light. Okay. Here's his mats. What's the minimum? Minimum is right here. So it's almost there. You really don't need to top it off, but you could top it off. Alright. It's all Gucci. Now road tested and I feel for any weird sound or that is coming from the back, because you work on the back, right? And if you don't hear anything, then it's all good. It's all Gucci. Alright, thank you for watching. Highlight your boy Astu Buru. I'm clacking now. Don't forget to support the channel. Alright, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout out to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Right below this video, there's a heart. It says thanks. You know what to do with it. Click on it so you support the channel by contributing to the channel. Know what I'm saying? Alright, I'll let you boys do. Boom.